So there is nothing called Hinduism existed. This title was given by the Westerners just few hundred years before. First of all, I need to make Hindus understand about Hinduism, because even I know for sure 99% of the Hindus do not know these scriptural references. From Brihaspati Agama, Himalayam Samarabhya Yavat Hindu Sarevaram Tam Devanirmitam Desam Hindustanam Prachakshate. Starting from the Himalayan mountains and extending to the Indian Ocean, God created country is called Hindustana. Continuously all Hindus are being attacked by the anti-Hindu gang, the enemies of Hinduism and traitors of Hinduism, both. One of the important questions they ask, they try to delegitimize, they try to make Hindus illegitimate by saying there is no such thing as Hinduism. There is no scriptural reference for the word Hindu or Hinduism. So there is nothing called Hinduism existed. This title was given by the Westerners just few hundred years before. Even Hindus don't have a right answer for this question. Even they start thinking, oh, maybe true, who knows. I wanted all of you to know it's false. I have 3 references, scriptural references for the word Hindu and Hindustana, both. Already long before I have collected few references and shared. Now I have got 3 more. From Merutantra Shaivagama, Shabdakalpadruma and Brihaspati Agama. In Merutantra Shaivagama, clear reference is there. The definition for Hindu, Shaiva Grantha, Hinam cha Dushyantave Hindu Ruchyate Priye, means, my dear, one who renounced ignorance and inferiority is called a Hindu. Then next, in Shabda Kalpadruma, Hinam Drushyati Hidi Hindu. One who renounced ignorance and inferiority is called a Hindu. The same reference, again in Shabda Kalpadruma. So, this is not given by some Westerners, some invaders. The word Hindu existed in our scriptures. See how the invaders stole everything from us, made us forget that we had all this knowledge for 2-3 generations, and started promoting their false narratives about us. And after we forgot, we lost everything, when we don't have any references, even we started swallowing, eating their narrative about us. That is the worst gaslighting. Let us remove the ignorance of Hindus. Let us enlighten Hindus and remove their gaslighting. There is a reference for the word Hindu and Hindustana in our scriptures with the definition, multiple places. So let us enlighten the Hindus. Let's get them all out of this gaslighting and enlighten.